this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about, and why the world is spinning faster every night.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing my pantry makeover with you guys. We're going to get the pantry cleaned up, organized, and make it more functional for the family, and I'll also be sharing some helpful tips to help you along if you also need to clean and organize your pantry. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. So right here, I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the storage containers and the organizers that we will be using in the video. These were super affordable and they really make a huge difference. If you are looking for any links to any products in my video, I will put them down in the description box. If there's something that I missed, go ahead and let me know and I will add it there. So I did show little snippets of doing this makeover over on my Instagram, and I got so many DMs saying that you too needed to organize and declutter through your pantry. A lot of you also said that it is overwhelming to think about it, and so I'm hoping that my tips can help you out. So the first tip I have for you is you're going to go ahead and remove everything from your pantry and just put it out on your counter. So another tip I have for you, and what I was kind of doing, is trying to organize everything in categories. It wasn't perfect or down to a T, but I was trying to put the canned foods in one area, snacks in another area, and so on. The next thing I am doing is going to go ahead and clean my pantry. A tip I have for you, I did not show that here, is I started sweeping the floor first, and that is because there was just so much stuff on the floor. Definitely go ahead and clean your shelves first because there are crumbs on the shelves. So if they fall on the ground, then you can sweep them up after. I had to go ahead and sweep the floor a little bit more after I cleaned my shelves.
Before when I met you, I never saw, no one ever saw the way that you look now is all I know.
So I am going to go ahead and mop the floor too, so I can get it nice and clean before we put everything back in there. I am using my new mop. It is the e-cloth mop. I actually got this from Grove Collaborative. I did not know they sell e-cloth products there, but you can also go ahead and check out e-cloth. I always have their discount link down below in the description box. So what I'm doing here is going to go ahead and go in with a soapy hot cloth just to clean the shelves. And then next, me and Ava go in with magic eraser so we can get any type of marks or stains up. So I wanted to go ahead and show you the kitchen. I know it looks a little overwhelming, but at least now you're going to start with a clean space in the pantry when you start putting everything back in there. For me personally, I just feel like it's a little bit easier for me to get everything back in there and be able to see how I'm going to organize it. So today I am going to be using some super cute labels to make my pantry look more appealing and functional for the family. So I did use the Cricut Maker to do this. Cricut Maker is the ultimate smart cutting machine. It accurately cuts over 300 materials, including everything from delicate materials like crepe paper, fabric, thicker materials like mat board, leather, and basswood. Super exciting. I've always wanted a Cricut for some fun projects, and I will be sharing those fun projects with you guys. It's my first time using one, so learning the machine was actually way easier than I thought. So they do have a program called the Cricut Design Space. It's on mobile and your desktop, so you're able to make anything super quick and easy from anywhere. Cricut has the ability to create so many projects, so it's perfect for the DIYer or the creator, but it's also super easy and simple to use if you're new to crafting. So I will have the link down below in the description box if you want to check out this Cricut Maker.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters.
I'm really excited to show you guys how the labels turned out. There were so many different fonts that you can choose from, and I went ahead and chose this font, and I think it looks perfect for our pantry. So I was doing this with Ava. She was helping me out. We're just kind of putting the labels on all of the storage containers. So I went ahead and got an extra cereal box container set, and that is because we have a lot of different cereals, and then I used the fourth one for the pasta. So this was actually a 4-pack that I found on Amazon. I really love this one because it has the little like hole, so you just like click it open and you can pour right from the hole at the top, and you can close it, and it's perfect and easy to refill. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put all of the storage containers back into the pantry, and we're going to get it nice and organized.
Our deception slips right through. What did I do? I must have been so careless. Progress too soon. But you got me so breathless. Can we work it out this time?
Right here, I am building another little organizer I got from Amazon. This one is for all the canned foods. So you're gonna see very soon here what problem I dealt with this. side, you guys. The can holder or the can shelf does not fit in here. Doesn't fit in my pantry. I'm so bummed. So the only thing to do is put it at the top there, but that's not realistic because I'm gonna have to take it down. No, I could probably get like a little step ladder or something and get my canned foods, but that's not realistic, guys. I'm super bummed. So I'm just gonna have to do what I can for now and then figure out something else later.
I see it clearly now, your sweet, sweet talking won't make me fall this time, cause I have drawn a map of my escape. Don't you even try, cause it's too late. I'm someone else, although I look the same way, teardrops that fell. But it's just another delay, I'm over us, I'm over you.
I wanted to go ahead and show you guys some before shots real quick on how our pantry looked, and now look at it, you guys. It is so organized and neat. It just feels really refreshing, and I am less overwhelmed when I go in here. It is easier for everyone to go in and grab a snack if they want to, or be able to find what food we have in the pantry. So this is really ideal for us. So I did have some old little containers too that I used and went ahead and put labels on. And then also these Dollar Tree baskets that I went ahead and reused those because there's nothing wrong with them. They do such a great job. They're $1 and it just fits the look of my pantry.
I'm someone else, teardrops that fell. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu.
So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you got some inspiration to do your pantries. I hope you are motivated to go ahead and tackle your to-do list today, whether you have to clean, organize, declutter. I wish you luck, and I will see you guys on the comments. Don't forget to check out Cricut, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.